Welcome to another episode of Breaking Bank. This is your host, Jack McKeag. My work is on the Breaking Bank series here, right on YouTube. It's also on libertyaid.org, and you can email us at contact@libertyaid.org if you have any questions, thoughts, or whatever. We got a lot of great information up on that site: how to remove your debt, how to operate a tax-free entity, how to get out of debt, just so many good things. But one thing people may not know about that I want to put a link in this YouTube comments where I'm going to put like the description of what this video is about. The link will be in there to what I'm going to tell you about right now. Okay, it's on the Liberty Aid website, and it is libertyaid.org /shutdown method. All, one as one word, no spaces or anything like that. Okay, libertyaid.org / shutdown method. Okay, libertyaid.org / shutdown method. Great. Anyway, let me tell you what this is about. This is, first of all, let me tell you what it has accomplished for sure. And what it has accomplished is it shut down the pipeline in the Dakotas last winter. Okay, so it has a great track record. It's how to stop the government, bank, any big corporate business, government entity comment against you or something you care about or some people you care about, how to stop them. Really pretty immediately. The day that you get the paperwork filed, for example, the day it was recorded, the day Obama started the pipeline in the Dakotas, the same day. So, it's not that I know that was a big, hoax, government hoax and stuff, except for it drew a lot of people I knew and cared about into, a miserable, ridiculously cold climate outdoors, which is what part of it was, to produce suffering out of these people for no reason, on just a hoax. So I didn't want anybody hurt, so it was time to shut it down. And a great advocate came along that I didn't ask permission to give her name of or whatever, so I'm not going to, but she did the paperwork with help from others, a lot of help from others and myself, and did that paperwork. I said I'd help anyone that wanted to, and someone came along that wanted to, and that's exactly what happened. And that's how it happened. So I want to tell you about this. It's just paperwork. That's all it is. And it's really, there might be a very small filing fee. There's almost no money attached to doing this process too. It's very it's not super complex. I've made it very simple, and it's extremely effective. If that's something you feel you need to do, I'm not advocating its use, but when I saw that people were very passionate about stopping that whole situation up there, I just put this method out for people that care to help others. I can't help everyone myself. It's just, there aren't enough hours in the day, and I do help so many people all day, every day. Okay, but for those people that want to step up, step in, and feel there's something that needs to be prevented from happening, that either is going to happen or is currently happening or currently happening to their children, etc., happening to your loved ones, happening to yourself, happening to your property, or happening to any other organization you care about, things like that, and so on. This is how you do it, and it's legal to do. So there's no crime for doing some paperwork at all, and there's an extremely small fee. So you will engage with them almost immediately, or they will stop almost immediately. They'll see the error in their ways and simply stop, the way they did in the Dakotas. Or in other cases, it brings them to the settlement table to have a discussion immediately. So uh, go ahead and look that over if that's something, that is meaningful to you in some way. You're an advocate for something or someone in your community, you want and something to stop that shouldn't be happening. And this could be, not, it's not just for a pipeline, it's for, people have their children taken from them. That's a government activity that can be stopped. Cold. It's so cold. For very, little money. And many other things. This is widely usable and very inexpensive to use. So I want you to check it out. It's just paperwork and it's free. Okay, it's not like I'm here supporting it by email with every step or anything like that. It's free. My time is available. You don't need it to do this. It's all spelled out. You don't need to ask me any questions. You can just do it if it's something you want to do. I'm simply putting the method out there. It's a legal method to do. So, I thought for the advocates out there and the people, pinched between a rock and a hard place, I should make a video and put this out more widely, that it's available to people. Okay, so God bless your success with your advocacy, with your stopping things that shouldn't be happening, and so you have time to start things that should be happening. Yeah, let's switch our lives over to that. All right. God bless your success. Check us out, Jack McCagg, your host, on libertyaid.org. Okay, write us at contact@libertyaid.org if we can help you.